Real-time shapes in OrCAD X provides immediate visualization of the dynamic shapes in your designs. Routing or sliding edge through a shape will automatically clear the shape from the routed net based on the constraint rules. While editing a design, it is often possible to make an undesirable shape island, an area that isn't electrically connected to its assigned net. These need to be addressed prior to fabrication. Shape islands are one of the many DRCs and issues reported in the Properties panel of the design. Select the shape island to be presented with a list of all the shape islands in the design. You can navigate the list to find and correct the island by connecting or deleting it. Copper shapes typically have chamfered corners. These corners can be preserved with minimal effort while dragging the shape to resize it. The Shapes Property panel gives you quick access to shape priority for overlapping shapes with different nets. The fill style of the shape can be set to a variety of hatch patterns, very useful in flex design. The void styles can be adjusted, and the thermal styles can be changed for all connections or specifically for SMD pins, through-hole pins, and vias, all while seeing the proposed changes live in the design canvas.